Let me see. Hey, don't throw things at me. Oh.
That was a real cute dance earlier.
What?
Put the feet in the...
That's not fair. Come give Mama kisses.
You gonna give kisses? Show everybody how you give kisses. Give kisses.
Mikayla, Mama wants a kiss.
Give kisses.
That's not
No.
kisses.
Give kisses.
How come Mama can't get kisses?
Oh, Daddy gets hugs though. Daddy gets some hugs. Yes, he does. Daddy likes hugs. Does Daddy get kisses? Oh, that's what you want for pajamas? Some silky pink ones? Here, you want your...
Those aren't pink, those are purple.
Or purple. Yeah, that's what I meant. Yeah. So, whoa. Mikayla, smooches? Whoa. Wow, them so pretty. Oh, yeah, I know. It's so rough. Yes. She left you hanging. She left you. Look at. This is her hallway. Look, toys, 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 toys. Hold on, wait. Toys, 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 toys. Oh wait, here's our living room. Toys, toys. Yeah, that's the cushion from the top of our bar stools. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, there's little Mater. That's her new little toy that she got. It does things. Mikayla, where are you going? What you doing? Everybody came to see you. You give Mama kisses? Give Mama kisses.
Hey, you!
Give kisses. Aww, that's so sweet.
Thank you, big girl.
When Daddy asks for kisses, she gives him like no problem. So you saw how much of an effort it was for Mama to get him. Daddy gets him anytime. He's like, kisses, and she's like, oh, wherever I am, here I come. Whoa. Light on. Light. Oh, almost. Oh! Okay, say goodbye, Mikayla. Mikayla, say goodbye.